The Internet Marketer Training Channel by George Pierce presents How to create a Facebook page, also called a Facebook fan page, or a Facebook business page. You are about to see how easily and quickly you can create your Facebook page. Anyone can do this, no skill is needed, just follow the steps. And when you are finished with this video, you may want to watch part 2, which is how to fill your page with content with almost no effort, by using free software that will create and post content for you, all on autopilot. Is having a Facebook page all that important? It is. If you have a YouTube channel, if you have a website, if you have a blog, if you have a business, Facebook is a perfect place to let people know about it. The result of this kind of exposure is traffic. The traffic is free. The traffic is organic, which is the best possible traffic you could ask for. What makes this even more exciting is that Facebook has the potential of producing traffic that can be massive. You are about to see how you can tap into this Facebook traffic for free, and you are going to be surprised at how easy this is. If that is of interest to you, I invite you to keep watching, and to stay with me for your bonus, which is going to accelerate your fan page success. Let's get started. Let's create our Facebook page. To do that, you want to go to https://www.facebook.com/pages/create. You will find the link below in the description. Fill in your page name and category. A bio is optional, but strongly recommended. Hit create page. Next, fill in your website URL or your YouTube channel URL, along with phone, email, location, and hours. Hit next. If you need a website, one of Mr. P's favorite free web hosts is Webador. It is easy to use, and almost unlimited. If you need an email address, you can set one up at mail.com or at gmail.com. Set up your action button, and upload your images. If you need free images, Mr. P recommends a site called Pixabay. There are over 2.7 million images, they are free, and no attribution is needed. Now click Next. On this page, you want your notifications to be on. Click Done. Next, I suggest that you bookmark your new fan page so you can easily access it. A shortcut for bookmarking is to hit the key, Ctrl and the letter D at the same time. You want to take care of a few more details, such as a welcome, linking with WhatsApp, inviting friends, adding hobbies or interests, and add featured. Congratulations! You are ready to start posting. Remember that the next video is about how you can use artificial intelligence to create your posts and post them for you, for free. This brings us to your bonus. Your bonus is Facebook fan page profits. Your bonus is free with no strings, no email is needed. Your Facebook page can help you to generate serious traffic and serious profits, and your bonus will help you to make that happen as soon as possible. You will find a link to this free download in the description, below. If you like this video, if you are finding value in this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Do that right now, thank you. And allow me to invite you to join this channel. Hit the subscribe button and ring the bell, so that Mr. P can let you know whenever a new video is uploaded. Your watching this video is appreciated, thank you. Watch this next.